Well, more Americans are starting to get their COVID booster shots as we slide into the fall season.
And now President Trump is calling on pharmaceutical companies to release more data on vaccines. ABC's Perry Russom has more from Washington, D.C.
President Trump today calling on pharmaceutical companies to justify the success of their COVID vaccines. This as the CDC grapples with a change in leadership and growing confusion over who can get the shot this fall. The White House says Trump fired the head of the CDC, Susan Menares, last week, leading to several top officials at the agency resigning in protest.
There's a lot of trouble at CDC, and it's going to require getting rid of some people over the long term in order for us to change the institutional culture.
In an op-ed today in the New York Times, 9 former directors and acting directors of the CDC accuse Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. of endangering the health of every American. They write in part, Congress must exercise its oversight authority over HHS. State and local governments must fill funding gaps where they can. Former CDC acting director Dr. Richard Besser is one of the op-ed's co-authors.
What we're asking for is for Congress to fulfill its obligation of oversight for the department and make sure that this is not allowed to just continue.
The FDA has approved the new updated COVID vaccines while at the same time narrowing the guidelines on who should get them. The FDA green-lighting the vaccine only for seniors and younger people who have medical conditions, putting them at higher risk from COVID-19. At the largest pharmacy chain in the country, CVS, the vaccine is not being offered in 3 states, Nevada, New Mexico, and Massachusetts. In 13 other states and Washington, D.C., you need a prescription. And Walgreens has their own restrictions. You have to have a prescription in 16 states. Both companies say they plan to have the new vaccine in stock soon. Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.